Back then, creating 360-degree videos were a pain in the ass. It usually involved several cameras recording at the same time from different angles and with a special mount too. And beyond that, with the software side, it requires advanced video editing skills. But now, you can buy cheap peripherals to attach to your phone to make such videos with a massive viewing angle. But of course, it would be not as sharp or as accurate as the multi-camera setup that I've mentioned. Well, here's one of them, the Insta360 One. What's up, Manila? This is Cesar Manila Shaker for a review of the Insta360 One. It comes with a shell that covers the front and rear camera, which also doubles as its mounting stand, and the peculiar looking device itself has an odd placement for both of the cameras. You can definitely record videos while placing it on the shell, although you would have to plug it to your phone to view the recordings via the pop-out lightning connector, which means it only works for Apple phones. Memory wouldn't be a problem, for it has an SD card slot with a 128 gig capacity, so you don't have to worry about losing some of your precious iPhone memory storage. At the very corner is a standard tripod thread which lets you mount the device on things like a selfie stick. It's also where you will attach a small string for the bullet time feature, which we will get to later. Before attaching the device to your iPhone, head over to the App Store to download the app for free and the Insta360 Studio to your PC, which you can find on their website. When taking a photo or video, you can view both either through flat mode, which looks like your usual photo, or video distorted to fit in a single screen. The rectilinear mode, which stitches the shots to mirror what the human eye sees in 360, and your regular fisheye mode. The vlogger's favorite little planet, and the crystal ball. All features can be used in a single video through the free capture mode in the Insta360 One app on your phone. Like we have mentioned earlier, there is a string that you can attach to the Insta360 to help you with the bullet time feature, which you will have to literally whirl the device around for you to achieve the effect. The bullet time effect records at 240 frames per second at 720p quality. Of course, it is recommended to be activated around open areas to avoid collision, and you will have to roll it at your own risk. You might be wondering how this device can record steadily with all that motion happening. Well, the Insta360 One has a 6-axis stabilization, so shooting on the go would not be much of a problem. There is also a smart track option in the app to focus on a moving subject while recording. Now, let us head on over to the downside of this device. Because it uses two separate cameras, you will notice some unclear or overlapping stitches while you pan around a video or a photo that is not noticeable really unless you look closely or have different lighting sources. Another is how bad the camera can take direct sunlight in, which will be an issue since this camera is mostly meant to be used outdoors. Lastly are the very obvious noise in both photo and video when shooting at nighttime or even at low-lit scenarios. For our verdict, we would say that it's a good portable 360 camera for its price, except for, well, the easy usage or lack thereof, and reliability, also for its versatility in outputs. Some smartphones may produce better photo and video, but the Insta360 sure does the job with decent results. As always, this has been Cesar Manila Shaker, and thank you for watching.